So I've been sailing since I was 10 years old. It's a big part of my family, both on my mother's and my dad's side, and you step into a different world almost. You can forget about the problems from last week and you come back a lot more refreshed, and I don't think I'll ever stop sailing. When I was choosing my university, it was important for me to be able to keep sailing and to be able to have time out on the water. And I ended up choosing to study chemistry. For that reason, I chose to go to Southampton. For my master's project, my final year at university, I had the opportunity to go away for 6 months to do a research project, and I went to EPFL in Switzerland to do that and absolutely loved it, and that's really what got me hooked. And after that, I was sure that I wanted to go do a PhD. The Faraday Institution is funding me to do my PhD over 4 years here at Oxford University, working in research around battery technologies. Specifically, I work on new solid-state batteries. It seemed the best way forward to answer the problem of global warming in the world, so I knew that I wanted to be a part of that. Current lithium-ion batteries, like what is in most mobile phones today, can be extremely flammable. So by using a solid-state technology, that risk is taken away essentially, and the batteries become a lot safer. I am working on combining new cathode materials with solid-state electrolytes. So while there are many benefits to using solid-state electrolytes, their main drawback is their poor conductivity. The Faraday Institution is in a race to be world-leading in the area of battery research to try and improve these technologies. The research environment is very exciting to be in, solving problems every day. What I would say to anyone who is maybe unsure of whether university is right for them, but they want to be studying in this area of research, is to take any opportunity you can and to just go for it, really.